Yo, it's your boy Leon Recommended here. So we're about to do a DIY on my E90 335i right here. This applies to dating back to '06 to '12. So any E90s, E91s, and E92s, it's going to be all the same installs. So let's get right into this video. So before I start, you guys, this is all the pieces you need. You need an oil pan, you need oil, you need a funnel, you need a filter. This is the one that we're using. You need a rag, you need a wrench with a 17 mil, you need a jack stand, and you need, what fits my car is an 86 millimeter or oil cap wrench. So some take 88, just depends. And also you need some of these bad boys to keep your hands clean. So let's get right into the video. This is just a simple tip for you guys to help your oil drain faster. Remove the oil filter cap. So while you're doing the oil change, the oil will drain down there faster. Next step, after you remove that, jack your car up. Is what's protecting your oil pan. So you just turn it. You can take a flathead to it. So this is what we're going to unscrew with the 17 mil. This is where all your oil drains out. So when you're doing this, try to keep as much pressure on the screw so the oil don't start coming out early and having your hands really dirty. So let's get right into it. I think they use the power too. I think I just broke it.
Make sure you got the oil pan closed, man.
Wish I had the power too. Is all this out? Most people turn it out. So make sure you keep putting pressure on it so it come loose. I want to take that drill to it right quick. Now, you make sure your oil cap wrench is on, and you take a wrench. You just turn it. You might want to get a rag for all the oil that's going to drip out. Put it like right here. You're going to need a rag, so. Off, you just take a flathead to it and just work it off, and then it'll come off. I'm trying to do this with one hand, so which makes it even more harder to show you guys, but yeah, and it comes off. And you have to place that back on there. So it's one in this box when we do the exchange, so there'll be one in there for you. So you guys, after you take the old ring out, put a new ring on, put your filter inside, and then you can start turning it and then use the wrench. Your manual to see what oil you use. Most of them are gonna be fully synthetic because it's for turbocharged vehicles. So I went with this one. Now it's just time to insert right here, So let's get right into it.